Okay, so now that I have my paper all folded up into a triangle, I'm going to pick one side and I'm going to write my name. Now I want my name to get bigger and then pinch in. I also want to figure out which part's the center. So this is actually going to be the center of my paper because this is where it's all folded. There's some open parts here. You can kind of see the flaps, whereas this part's completely folded, which means it's going to be the center of my paper. I can tell because that's how it's opening. So I want to make sure that the center is on my right because we write left to right. This is the center of my paper. I can even kind of give myself a little marker to remember that. And then I'm going to write my name. Now I'm going to do my last name, which is Kent. You can do your first name, your last name, or if you would like to pick a word, you could do a word as well. And I'm going to design my name. Now the type of lettering I do is going to affect my design. But the key is that my lettering will go all the way to the edge of the paper. So for me, I'm going to do some bubble letters. I'm going to make sure that I go all the way to my edge of my paper. If you're not great at bubble letters, you don't have to use them. Oops. You can do any kind of lettering you want, but you do need to make sure that you are going that you are filling the whole paper. I don't know why the glare is so bad, but I'm going all the way to the top of my paper. Oh yeah, you can see here. So I'm all the way, I'm touching the edges. And then if you wanted to, you could add some other little elements there if you wanted. If you wanted to. Now I'm going to take a permanent marker or something that will be just really dark and visible. I'm going to trace that. So I've designed my name.